Hey everybody, David Yang here. Now I know it's been a while since I made a video and it's been so long that I'm with a new company now, okay? The company I'm with is called Home Sellers. Still same great real estate services, just different logo, that's it. But what I want to talk about today is what's going on in the market right now, especially with people that are trying to buy homes and how to make offers, okay? I'm seeing a lot of my clients are struggling, a lot of other buyers are struggling too to get their offers accepted. I know it was really crazy over the summer months, and we're still seeing it out pretty crazy out there with multiple offers and trying to help our buyers get their offer accepted. But today I'm going to give you guys a little bit tips of how to present a better offer to the sellers. So the first thing you want to think about is, what is the seller going to net? What are they going to put in their pocket? Okay, when you as a buyer are putting in an offer, that's what you need to think about to get your offer accepted, okay? Because obviously the sellers, they want to put the most money in their pocket as possible. So anything you do to change the sales amount or the seller contribution amount or anything like that will have an impact on their net proceeds, okay? So obviously, generally they're going to pick the one with the highest net proceeds to the seller, okay? So that's the first thing you want to think about. The other thing too is how easy is the offer to the seller, meaning contingencies. Contingencies are things that need to happen before the home sells. The less contingencies out there, the better chance that the home has of selling, and the sellers know that. And whatever real estate agent or representative that's helping the seller, they're going to tell the sellers that too. So the least amount of contingencies is going to win. And the last thing is, generally, if you're the first one in to see the home and the first one to make the offer, you're going to have a lot higher chance. But I always tell people, if you're going to do that, be the first ones in, be the first ones to make offer, you better throw a knock their socks off offer, okay? And it makes it so that they don't even want to show the homes to anybody else. So again, go in with your best offer up front, okay? If you have to double think it, you're probably going to lose it, all right? So don't be afraid. Just go all in on the first offer, okay? Obviously, again, you want to consult with your real estate agent or whoever's helping you put in the offer to see what's, what you can afford and what's comfortable for you. But again, you want to make sure you do those three things at minimum to try to give you a better chance of winning, okay? Now, if you have any questions on how to put in a good offer or just real estate in general, you guys can give me a call. My phone number is 651-323-7834. Or you can find me on Facebook, where this video is probably on there, okay? So until next week, I'm going to try to do more of these videos for you guys and pick it back up again. So please don't get tired of seeing my face, okay? If you do, let me know too. I'll try to change up my hairstyle again or something like that. But I'll see everybody next week. Thanks.